Once when Corrin was just a little girl, she was woken up by scary thunderstorms, and she said, "I'm scared. I want my sister," she said, as she got up from her bed, and she was walking towards her sister's room, but when she heard the loud lightning, she ran into her sister's room and said, "Camilla, wake up." "Huh? What's the matter, honey?" I'm scared." "Aw, sweetie, about what?" The thunder." "Aw, Corrin, it's okay." "It's not okay. I'm scared." "Shh. It's all right, little sister. Don't be afraid," said Camilla. "But it's scary." "I know it's scary, Corrin, but you're gonna be okay." "How do you know?" "Because I know. I'm your big sister. And big sisters always know what's right for their little siblings when they're scared. A nice hug. It's okay, Corrin. It's okay. It was scary." And when Corrin saw the lightning, she ran and hid behind her sister and said, "Make it go away, Camilla. I'm scared." "I wish I could, little sister, but I can't. I'm too scared to sleep alone. Can I sleep with you?" said Corrin, hugging her teddy bear tightly. And Camilla looked at her little sister and smiled and said, "Of course you can, sweetie. Come here. It's okay, Corrin. It's okay. It's okay. Big sister's right here. It's okay. Shh. I'm scared." And then Camilla said, "What are you afraid of, sweetie?" "Well, what if the thunder comes and gets me?" "The thunder's not gonna come and get you, honey. Everything will be okay." Tell you what, how about I get you some warm milk, and then we can read a story together, okay?" "Okay." And then Camilla went downstairs with her little sister and got her a cup of warm milk with honey. And she said, "Here you go, sweetie. Drink this up. You'll feel better." "Camilla?" "Yes, Corrin?" "Is it okay to be scared?" "Yes, sometimes." "Why?" "Because I think being scared is kind of foolish." "Oh, don't say that. Being scared is okay. Sometimes, like, I'm afraid of snakes and monsters and many different things. And you're afraid of, what are you afraid of, honey?" "Well, I'm afraid of, like, scary things, like thunder and the dark." "Yeah, exactly. So everybody has a different emotion. And sometimes we express those emotions by hugging or crying, or sometimes we're angry, but that's okay. Everybody has different emotions, you know, and we express our emotions differently." "Is it okay to cry, Camilla?" "Yes, why?" "Because I was afraid." "Oh, it's okay. Shh, shh, shh. Look, here, drink more of your milk. Okay?" "Okay." It's yummy." My little one. "It's okay," said her big sister, hugging her little sister tightly and running her fingers through her hair. "It's okay, Corrin. It's okay. I'm here." "I'm scared," she said when she saw the lightning flash against the window and the wind blowing and raining really hard. And Camilla said, "It's okay, Corrin, it's okay. It's okay to be scared." Camilla, yes? I had an accident. Oh, honey, it's okay. Come on, let's get you washed up, okay? And then Camilla took her little sister to the bathroom and filled up the tub with warm water and gave her little sister a nice, warm, hot bath. And she said, "It's okay, Corrin. Everybody has accidents and everybody's afraid of things. It's okay to be scared, my little one." Corrin? Oh, wait, and Corrin. Camilla? Yes? Can you get me the towel? Oh, right. Here you go. Here, let me get you out of the tub. There we go, all clean. Let me get you some new clean PJs, okay? Stay right here. No, don't leave me, Camilla. Shh. It's okay, Corrin. It's okay. And then Camilla came back with some clean PJs, and she helped her sister get dressed. And then she said, "Okay, Corrin, I think the thunder's almost over. Are you ready to go back to sleep in your own bed?" "I want to stay with you." "Okay, just one night, all right?" "Okay." "I'm scared, though." "About what, baby?" "It's okay, Corrin. It's okay. It's all right. Here, hold Mr. Snuggly Wuggly Wuggly." "You mean my teddy bear?" "Yes. Isn't that his name?" "Yes." "Okay, here, hold him." "Okay." "He will protect you from this thunderstorm, and I'm going to be right across my room if you need me." "No, Camilla, don't leave," said little Corrin, running towards her sister and grabbing onto her nightgown. And then she said, "Carry me, carry me, carry me." "Okay, it's okay, Corrin. Shh. It's all right." And then her big sister said, "All right, you can sleep with me, but only for one night. And don't make a habit out of it. You understand?" "Yes." "Good night, Camilla. Good night, Corrin. I love you." The end.